Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good up, everybody. This is your boy E Money coming at you live from the shop. And today I am working on a 2015 Power Stroke with the 6.7 liter. We are doing the CP4 high pressure fuel pump upgrade. Um, Not really a walk in the park. What I got here, just trying to make things a little easier. I got a little diagram of the new injectors that I'm installing. This kit comes with a brand new high pressure pump, brand new fuel lines, brand new injectors, the CP4 upgrade conversion. What it does is it eliminates some of the problems of the predecessor, and this set also comes with brand new fuel lines that I'll be replacing. Here goes the pump. It's got some specialized brackets and stuff that comes along with it. So this will correct the problems of make it a little more bulletproof to the issues of the earlier pump failure that comes stock with the vehicle. Like I said, it got all the brand new tools that I'll be replacing here. Um, Not too bad of a kit. It's very well worth it. What I've done here is I wrote them down and noted the IQO number, injector quality output number for each injector, so it can correctly calibrate your fuel system, so the engine can run tick-tock without, having any check engine lights due to the replacement of the new injectors. So I just write them down. So as I set the injectors in, I know where each new injector is in the hole. So when I go to program them, whether using the IDS programs I got Ford programming equipment that I have here at the shop. So when it comes time to programming these injectors, there's also some scanners that have the capabilities of doing the same thing. Some of the higher quality snap-on scanners allow you to program the numbers of that, so not just IDS. And then another thing about IDS that you need to think about is when you flash with IDS, if you have a tune on the vehicle, it will be wiped out and basically taken back to factory. Run into that problem before. And then the customer bought a vehicle with the program already on it. I also got a vacuum pump gasket here, which the kit is requiring. I got a brand new intake gasket set that I'll be replacing. These are the upgraded fuel rails in the Bosch packages there, so they'll be replaced. Got brand new bolts and specialized brackets that are required to mount the lines. There's a spacer gasket here. The kit comes too with some nice literature to help you get on your way. But like I said, it's not really a walk in the park. So also, this is a brand new main fuel line assembly. Comes with that. There goes your old. I got my old rails. Everything's already pulled, so I'm about on my way. I'm putting everything back together. Got a line of parts here. There goes the intercooler there, sitting underneath there. Air charge tube. Battery box have been removed. Coolant thermostat housing there has been taken out. Let's see. Let me walk over here. So if you look here, like I said, I removed the battery boxes on both sides, just anything that give you extra room. Got some of the old stuff lined up across here. I removed the exhaust pipes up here for the top to get clearance of the lines. Real cautious about the way I do things. You don't want to cause any issues. You don't want to break anything. So I cleaned up the surface. I blew out any dust and anything that might have been in the way. The turbo is still intact. I'm gonna have to get my stand because this truck sits pretty high, and I'm working on it on my 4-post lift. So let's see. I'm gonna have to step up here. Like I said, not a walk in the park. And there's a nasty little rat nest underneath there. Got a little bit of mouse juice down there that I need to get out. Let's see, I've already removed the high pressure pump. A lot of parts had to come off, and I'm, a little trick to getting the gear off the front there. Not too bad. I got the battery box and everything cleared out of here. Left the ECM intact, didn't have to disconnect that. The injectors were able to clear and come out of there with I got injector pulling tools, but they weren't really necessary to use. I grabbed a hold of a small crow's foot and was able to lift them out without doing any damage. The company where I purchased the kit from, they require the return for a core, almost like $1,000 core, for the high pressure, the stock high pressure pump and the old injectors, so they wanted those. So I was able to do that without removing some parts on the passenger side, I guess. I mean, anything you can move that'll make the job easier, that's great. But anything you don't have to remove, that's also great. And I didn't have to pull the radiator. I do have the fan is sitting down in there, and so I was able to work around all that there. And once you get the oil pump off the front, you'll get to the gear of the high pressure pump, and there's about a 27 millimeter nut on the front of there that can be easily broken loose with an impact, but you want to make sure that you line up all the marks before you, so line up your timing marks before you pull that front gear off of there, so the engine be a top center, and everything will be aligned, so when you're putting a new part on, you won't run into issues, because if you don't do that, you're going to have to go back and make corrections, and this is a pretty extensive job, so that you don't want to have to end up redoing anything. So if you look at the video, you'll be able to see the things that I was able to leave in place, and basically the whole idea was to, so I could have the clearance I need to be able to pull the injectors out and get our new modified pump in, and let's see, yeah, it is quite a bit of parts, kind of like remind me of German engineering, but you got this big beast of a motor stuffed into this truck, so plenty of power, but so you got to do the work. Like let me see, I'm gonna make my way around. So there's really no room for errors. So I am a shop owner, and so I do build transmissions and do a lot of different things. So just showing you some of the layout, some of the parts. I got gang of tools out. You can see underneath there, and see the things I have unplugged. So you just an idea. So I can go step by step to show you. I didn't have cameras running the whole time of everything I was doing, but you get to see there is some in that corner. There's a piece of black plastic, you know, that the fuel it snaps onto the top of the injectors. Yeah. So there you have it. It's not a walk in the park. A lot of things you want to take your time, and you just gotta prepare yourself for, you know, for the job at hand, so you're not overwhelmed and you're not surprised. Well, thank you for watching. Feel free to comment or have any ideas or concerns. Thank you.